How to write blog post fast. I will be reviewing a software called Create. It's Nala Fernandez here from Faithpreneurship. If you're looking to leave the 9-to-5 job behind, get my free training. The link is in the description below on how to earn a full passive income online. Okay, so let's then go ahead and look at the software called Create, where you can write your blog post fast. So let us have a look. So it is Create, new artificial intelligence web app, writes perfectly readable content for you in any major niche in under 90 seconds. Okay, so let's have a look at it. Okay, so we'll go ahead and have a look at it. It's artificial intelligence. It's not just it is not just some content spinning software. So let's have a look at it in greater detail. But before we go ahead, we'll have a look at the bonuses I am going to give you in case you do pick it up with my link below this video. Okay, so great training, putting up your own blog or website. If you still do not have a blog or website and you're still looking at creating content, whether you should invest in it, whether you should go ahead, it's a training on how you can put up your blog. Again, $97 value bonus. Then free traffic frenzy, how to get traffic to these offers, to your blog, to your various posts, etc. $167 value. Then underground traffic source, how to get some more traffic to anywhere you want, $397 value. And then Instagram monetization, how to use Instagram to monetize either your blog, etc. Okay, so $247 value, and a free affiliate course. Now, how you can use others' products to actually start earning a full online income. So those are all my bonuses. If you do pick it up with pick up the software with my link below. Okay, and total value of bonuses is over to $3,000 with some announced bonuses of over $1,800. So altogether, a package of bonuses worth over $3,000. Okay, so let's have a look at this Create and let's see what it is and what you can do about it. So if you do click on the link below, it will take you to this bonus page, and if you do click on any of these yellow buttons, you would get to this sales page where you can pick up the product. So this is Joshua Zamora, who has put out some very great products. I picked up quite a few of his and quite like most of them. Okay, so you can go through this, have a look, and I will show you a run through the software as well. So this is the page where you can pick up the software. Okay, the buy button should be right at the bottom somewhere. Okay, so basically just now it's a one-time fee, and the price is slated to go up every 60 minutes or something like that, as soon as it is out. It's not yet out as of making this video, but let's have a look. I've got some review access to it. So here it is. Okay, so this is how you'd see it if you do pick it up. Now, some of these are not all the front-end version. Some are the upgrades. We look at those as well. Okay, which are the upgrades, etc. Okay, so now you can what is Create? You can spin your own. Not spin it. Is the artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence writing of the content for you. So we'll have a look how that can be done. Okay, now you can connect it to your WordPress site and also directly upload from your etc. Okay, and then let's have a look. So the credits, you can buy extra credits if you want. Then let's see the articles, how to write up articles. So you just click on that button. Let's see again. You can cancel. You click on this button here, and you get to this page where you can choose. Now, depending on the type of license you've bought, you might have 1 or 3 of these article types. Okay, so you can choose standard, Q&A, or freestyle. Then let's choose the standard one just now, and you can choose your niche. you have various niches out here, and Joshua says he's going to add to these, and for each niche you'll have a sub niche. So let's see something like maybe health, and let's look at see the various sub niches here. So say we look at weight loss, okay, and you can also write you can have various niches, sub niches. You can have it in various languages, okay. You can have this in various languages. You can see how many articles you want to write out. I think up to 5 articles you can write out at one go. So let's do just one just now. You can have various folders where you want to save it to, okay. So you can make various folders and have them in case you're doing it for some clients, etc. If you're writing these posts for some clients, it's a good business model as well, where you can have like there are various article writers on Fiverr where you can start generating cash just by writing articles. Okay, that's a quicker way to do it. Okay, so you can have various for various clients you could be generating the articles in various folders out here. So the first thing you need to do is start a prompt. So what you need to do is get any either start writing up an just a few line or so just to get it started. Okay, to get this software started, the artificial intelligence started. Okay, so what we do is we can either pick up from, maybe as I've got already an article open. So let's copy maybe the first 2 lines from here. So let's see, we copy those lines and we paste it in this article, and we let the software do the rest. Okay, so we click on start, and 1 credit will be used for each of it. So it's writing the article here. You can see here it's writing the article. Let us see what happens. Okay, so I will pause this video and we will see once it has written the article. Okay, looks like our article is ready now. So let's have a look. This is it. Today is the 3rd of Feb. Sorry, the 2nd of March, or the 3rd of Feb. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's see what article it has written and what kind of quality. Okay. So now, whatever you had, the part in yellow is what you had copied initially. So you might want to change this out, because that would, if you copy this would detect as plagiarism. So maybe it's not what you want to. You can just change this one line out, or one or 2 sentences out. So let's do one thing. Let's read it and see. Some doctors may suggest losing up to 3 pounds per week for initial treatment, and then gaining 1 pound every 2 weeks to assist in weight maintenance. Okay, so the American Institute of Market and Health and Medical and Nutrition, and okay, so maybe some sort of things you might need to work on. But let's do a plagiarism check. Let's see how unique this article is, or does it copied it. Okay, so let's do I've just copied it just now, and let's do a plagiarism check. I've come to Grammarly, which is one of the best plagiarism checkers, and let's check for plagiarism. Okay, no plagiarism found. Grammar, okay, a little bit of punctuation, yes. So you can more or less a pretty good writer. Okay. So Grammarly also, if you do a check with Grammarly, you can see some you can add see a few issues which you can sort out with Grammarly itself. Okay, so otherwise a pretty good well written article. Okay, so if you see this and you want to add this onto your site, you can do that now. Okay, so that's about it in Create. Okay, so this is how it works, and let's have a look at and see what all are the upgrades you can get, and what are the pricing structure. Okay, so So let's look at the upgrades. You have the agency upgrade 1, where you can use it to create your own agency and sell articles. Okay, and then booster bundle. Okay, I'm not sure what this is. You unlock a very powerful feature. Some other features you can unlock: content, then white labeling. Okay, and so let's see what exactly it has. Okay, so let's look at the overview of it. So these upgrades, you'll have to go through and see what makes sense exactly for you. I'm not really sure what would make sense for you just now in this situation you are in. Okay, so you'll have to run through them and see which ones are for you. Okay, so let's also look at it has a 30-day money back, double your money back guarantee. So if you do pick it up and you find that it's not for you, you get double your money back in 30 days if you do ask for it. Okay, and yeah, so it's not a content spinner. It uses artificial intelligence to actually write unique content. We saw it was unique. Okay, we did find a few issues with the grammar, etc. So which you can sort out with things like Grammarly. Okay, so that's Create in a nutshell. So knowing it's from Joshua Zamora, you can be assured of the quality of the software. So something you might want to consider getting. So if you do decide to get it, you would get my bonuses if you do pick it up with my link below. Okay, over $3,000 value. And yeah, if you do pick it up, I think it's a JVZoo product, so you get a receipt from JVZoo like this, and you get a green button here which would give you access to the product, and a blue button which would give you access to the bonus app promised. Okay, so that's it for Create, and I have some other videos where you can get additional traffic and start affiliate marketing to the left, and also you can subscribe to my channel on top as well as below, and hit the bell icon if you want to get notified. Leave a comment if you wish. Okay, all the best, your success.